All right, this is Grow Fold at the IKEA here in Frisco, Texas. Today I am just searching for a couple of catch pots for some of the new plants that I actually got today. So just wanted to go show you guys what the selection is here. Luckily, I am here on a Tuesday evening where there's not that many people because IKEA tends to be quite busy. So I have a couple of baby plants that I'm gonna go and put in these little catch tray pots. So you can see this one is $2.99 for the versatility dark gray. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of those. Here's some more. Oh, these are really cool, but these are $4.99 for the Decorative pot. I like that as well. I tend to lean toward more simple forms. Like if you look at this one right here, this is a pot that I really wouldn't be into just because of just the textures. I like more flat ones like this. So this one's the Boski pot. I might pick up one. Those are $6.99. This is one of my favorite ones to pick. It's the Wrangling. These are for the 3.5 inch potted plants. I love that it's just very simple, and then I love pink pots as well, so that's pretty cool. There is a white version as well that's for $2.99. The pink one looks like it is $2, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and pick more of those out right here. But as you can see, there are many pots for IKEA. This Dromsk is $6.99. Just a nice clear one. The only thing with these pots is they are really meant to be catch pots, so that means they don't have any drainage holes. But look at how awesome this is right over here. Really love that. This one is another cool, simple pot. This one is $8.99. I like that it just has a simple form for that. This one's made with concrete. This is the Boysenbar. I don't know if I'm really pronouncing the actual words correctly for these or the names. Last time I was at IKEA, I was looking at the Sogoran pot. Look at this one right here. This one has a little bit of texture, but not enough to where it's distracting for me. I really like the different tones. So there's a glazed part and then the unglazed part as well. These are going to be fitting 3.5 inch potted plants as well. And you can see that there are some faux plants right here, some baskets. Then we have a little bit larger pots right over here. I have bought this before, the Boski. This one will fit a 4.5 inch plant, so I might pick up a couple of these. These are $7.99. I already have this traditional, what I say traditional, it's something that IKEA has kept in stock for a while. It's the Gravitas. This is $11.99, which fits 6 inch potted plants. So I might be putting like my Aglonema in there and whatnot. As you can see, there are more potted plants right here. I really like this one that can fit a 4.5 inch pot. This pink right here is matte. I like the texture, so I may end up picking up some more of these. These are $7.99. So one thing I like about IKEA is they do have these different displays, so you can kind of see, compare and contrast what these plants look like. This is probably my favorite type of pot. It's the Klarbar. I'm pretty sure I'm not pronouncing this correctly, but what I like about it is it has a matte finish, but the catch tray for water, it has a simpler pot, so I really like that right there. I'm definitely gonna go pick some more of these out right here. But yeah, these are styled differently. I'm not really a big fan of the shiny glaze. There's a version of that. It's the Citra Fruit for $7.99. Now you also have the traditional terracotta one as well. I might pick up one just because I do like terracotta pots. It helps for anybody who is an overwaterer, and I tend to be an overwaterer, so but you can see that there's just so many beautiful pots, very stylish. Like there's even a simple one right over here for $4.99, just a simple white pot. I wish this was matte because I would totally buy a bunch of these. They even have rattan ones, you can see down there. I like this as well for $5. Very nice. And then obviously we have this right here, the Nippon. I have the ones that are the 3-inch ones. I might pick up a couple of these as well. And then you can see Last Chance, $3.99. So that's nice. These blue ones that can fit 4.5-inch potted plants. But you can see that there are larger ones right over here. These ones can fit 6-inch potted plants. So you can see that there's a wide assortment. I like this one right here. Let's see how much it is. It's $11.99 for a 6-inch plant. So that's really cool. And then I was thinking of possibly getting this to fit or plant in one of my aglaonema that has been quite leggy. So I was gonna plant it further down the pot to get it a bit more bushy texture. And as you can see here, there are larger type pots over here. I'm thinking about doing a mass planting of syngoniums in one of these bigger pots. They have this pot right here for $14.99. I like the simplicity of it, as well as this one right here. So now these ones will fit 9.5-inch potted plants. I really like that. And then you can see right over here, we have some black pots. Like I said, I really love the glazed portions of this right there. So that's pretty cool. We'll see what that looks like in terms of just what that can place in terms of a potted plant. So we have a $12.99 one right here. And then what I like is these simple pots. This is originally $18.99, but right now this is $9.99. So obviously if you go to IKEA, there are just so many plant options and planters. Something I absolutely love. And I like the fact that I'm shopping when it's not busy. Oftentimes you're just bumper to bumper with other carts, and you can see that there are several other plants that are available. That could be another plant shopping video that I do, but I can just pan in a little bit. Like this one right here, this Amazonica, Alocasia Amazonica is $19.99. They have some common looking house plants. I would say about 2 years ago, their plant prices were a little bit less than what they are charging now. This used to be more of my go-to place to go purchase plants, but the prices are quite elevated these days. I think just anything plant related, but as you can see, there's just a lot of plant stylings, options. So I am definitely gonna do a haul of what pots that I've gotten, just because I did get a lot of plants today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little quick update of what kind of pots we have at IKEA. If you have an IKEA local in your area, you should definitely check these out, just because the pots are pretty cost effective and you don't necessarily have to drill holes if they're already growing like in the grower pots. I think these are a lot easier than having to go pot up a plant. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments about what planters you like at IKEA, and if you want to see more content like this. For now, this is Grow Folds, and I am going to be signing off. I'll catch you guys on the next plant video. See you soon.